I'm here with my Dash Mini rice cooker and some forbidden rice. Let's see how well this forbidden rice cooks in this Dash Mini rice cooker. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. This is forbidden rice. It's also known as black rice. It got its name in ancient China where it was reserved for royalty. No one else was allowed to eat it. That's why it was called forbidden rice. It's much more widely available today, and I purchased this at a local organic market. They sell it in bulk. And what's really interesting about this rice is the color. As you can see, it is black. And what gives it that color is anthocyanins. So the same antioxidants that are found in blueberries and blackberries that give them the dark color, those antioxidants are also in this rice. So it's a very healthy rice. Supposedly, when it's cooked, it then turns like a deep purple color. So we'll see. I've never had this rice before. I've never cooked this rice before. So this is going to be a first. I have about 3/4 of a cup of this rice, and I've already rinsed it. I just added it to the rice cooker. You probably can't even see it because it's dark on dark. Now I'm going to add twice as much water as rice. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. So I've added twice as much water as rice. I just plugged in the rice cooker. Let's turn it on. And I'll be back when this is done. They say the way it cooks is very similar to brown rice, so it should take a while. It's been about 20 or 30 minutes, and there's a whole bunch of splatter coming out of this hole in the cover of the rice cooker. So all back here, you can't see it, but there's splatter everywhere. So I think what I'm gonna do, yeah, it's still splattering. I'm just gonna tilt that a little bit and see how it cooks. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. The splatter is like a dark purple color. I hope it doesn't stain. It's been about 40 minutes or maybe 45 minutes, and this just clicked off to warm. So let's stir this up and see what's going on. I don't know if it's done. I'm gonna taste some of it. Yeah, it's done. It's so weird. It is so weird eating black rice. Flavor-wise, it really reminds me of wild rice. A little bit more delicate than the flavor of wild rice. I feel like the flavor of this rice is leaning toward wild rice, but with a little bit of brown rice flavor in it also. For lunch today, I'm gonna make some forbidden rice and beans. So this is the Dash Mini rice cooker. I have some black beans in the rice cooker. These are from a can. I'm gonna add some of this Louisa organic Sazon to the beans. I'm making this super simple and easy. I just put the rice cooker on cook, so those will heat up. I'd like to add some coconut oil, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna add some butter. This is maybe almost a tablespoon of butter. I'm also adding some additional garlic powder. The beans are heating up, so now I'm gonna add some of the black rice. And I'm going to stir this in. Wow. The pot is hot, so I'm just very lightly touching it because it's moving all around. And I'm going to keep cooking that until it all heats up. I have a bunch of spinach that I need to use up, so I'm just going to throw in like a handful of spinach and cook this down. I'm going to let that cook down. I'll probably put in some more than that also. So there's like 2 handfuls of spinach. It's been a few minutes now, and the spinach is all cooked down. I'm gonna turn this off and unplug it. Then I use this pot handle to grab this pot because it's hot. Here's my black rice with black beans and cooked spinach. I think it looks really creepy, which is fitting for the Halloween season. So now let's give it a taste. Let's give this a taste now. That's really good. It just needs a little bit more salt. There's some salt in that Sazon seasoning, so I don't need to put like a whole lot in here, just a little bit. Yeah, that's really good. So the black rice has a chewy texture, kind of like brown rice does. And obviously rice and beans is a very well-known combination. The Sazón gives it a nice amount of seasoning. The butter adds a little fat, and the spinach adds lots of healthy minerals. So this is a spooky yet healthy lunch. And so that's how you can make forbidden rice and beans in this Dash mini rice cooker. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.